Hello everyone, just a quick catch up. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. I've had loads lately and I really appreciate that, but I have been working hard to make my YouTube channel really interesting for you. And one of the things I thought I'd do, I've been having a bit of a sort out, as you can see, and it reminded me of one or two others that are really interesting, that are on YouTube already but were posted quite a while ago, and you might not have seen them if you've only just joined me recently. So I thought I'd repost some of the videos showing me painting various scenes in case you've missed them. And so the first one I thought was quite nice and really easy is a silver birch tree one, and I'm sure if you've not seen it before it should inspire you to get your paints out. And so you don't miss any more, please subscribe to my channel and share it, and goodness knows what else you can do for me. It's all free and it all helps me to want to create more material for all of you to see.